This is Animal Company. So we're in the old version. I only got early access, but I just got it, and there's no red watch. You can have red watch too. So now it's explore everything. Okay, let's just go to a random code. Let me hop in. Let me hop in, please. Okay, let's just get some. Okay, let's get a flashlight. Let's get a flashlight, and then the last thing that we kind of need is a crowbar. And also, this is where Mimic wasn't out, and this is where Sulus wasn't out, and Ogre. But the rock monster was out, and the chicken, and the red light, green light. Like, guys, kind of like, actually, you guys don't like because it's kind of hard to beat. Me too! What the heck? The rock. Actually, the red light, green light didn't get me. So, this is the rock monster cave. Actually, the unstrung cave. That's the unstrung. We also in this update, the chicken kind of moved, like right here. Look at him, he's just a cutie. But yeah, that's him. That's what he looks like. But we're not going to the cave because the unstrung cave. Look at that rock monster, it's so cute. Oh yeah, I need to fall for a second. I'm going to sleep in the water. How did the red light green light thing even get me? Oh yeah, because it was far away. I was far away, so that's why. Didn't wake up. Why we just sleep in the water? Wait. That's fine. The water saved me. Thank you, water. You're welcome. Oh man, the water didn't talk. But don't worry. But this is a landmine. Did that move? Oh no. Never mind. We'll just sell nothing for a sec. And let's see how much money we'll get. Jump. Hey, don't say boo to me. That didn't even scare me. Okay. This is the point. Also, sometimes, in New Animal Company, sometimes I get stuck on these stuff. Like, just got stupid. But this is the Discord, but I'm not going in it because I don't want to. Because I'll have it. I never tried out Discord. Let's go up here. No. But this is where there's nothing there. This is the stage. You can use to grab this. Actually, you can grab this in Gorilla Tag when at the stage. Now let's try out the stuff. So first it's gonna raid. You explore on your own. Now let's try this thing. Actually, let's try out the firework. I know what. Hey, dude, that's so slow. Because when I'm in a public lobby, it doesn't work. It's like it does it too slow. But this is the OG iPad. I like this version because it has the OG iPad. Now the big flashlight. I have this unlocked. We have this unlocked, this unlocked, this one unlocked. All of these unlocked. Okay, now let's try out this. Let's eat it. Let's eat it. It just did that. I'm flying. Yeah, don't try that. It'll explode. Oh wait, what? It just reset? Okay, I guess that reset it. Okay, now let's try out this. Oh yeah, I'll try it. Now let's try out this backpack. But you can only grab it with A. You can only grab all of the items with A that time. I think you can. And not this. I missed the old computer. Look at it. It's sick. Sick. Now it's just, but the sewers is closed because I just checked and it was kind of closed. Well, where's the apple? I think in the next update maybe it'll just add the apple. But this is a landmine. But don't put an item on it. Okay, I won't. It did nothing. Maybe it'll do nothing. Yo. But now let's try out the flashlight. Get it. But every time you sell an item, check this out. First try. Get it. Okay, it doesn't. But it just changes. Yeah, it changes to that. Yeah, it's kind of glitched. But this is the end of the video. I'm just showing you everything. Okay. See you guys later. Bye.